वरुण 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 यहाँ पे मेरे पास नहीं देखा। वरुण वरुण यहाँ पे वरुण
सर वेट साहेब थांबा साहेब वरुण सर थांबा जरा
वरुण वरुण यहाँ पे नहीं देखा।
Please come.
Hey, Varun. Amish. Hey, how's it going, man? Good. How's it going? Varun, sir. Amish here. Amish. Amish here.
Tripathi. Well, we're right now live on Facebook and Instagram, so I would want to welcome everybody who's watching us there as well. We do know about Amish that he's penned more than, 6 books. Let's talk statistics here. 4 million copies worldwide. For people who don't know, Amish's books are translated into 19 different languages. Not just Indian, also like Spanish and God knows what all. I don't know how many authors actually do that. But with this one, it is his 7th book today. Suhail Dev and the Battle of Bahraich. It is a story of heroism, of courage and patriotism. And I was telling him some time back how even in our history chapters, we'd not really heard of him or even read about him. Makes it even more inquisitive for most of us to get our hands on this book. But this powerful tale of the prince of a small kingdom who sacrificed everything to defend his nation in the magnificent Battle of Bahraich. With his 7th book, Suhail Dev and the Battle of Bahraich, Amish forays into the historical fiction genre with his new series, Indic Chronicles. So let's hear it for that, and let's hear it for the man we've been waiting for, Amish Tripathi. May I please invite you here, please, on stage. Of course, joining him is Vikas Singh. He is the popular author of Bhima, The Big Fix. He's previously co-authored The Know of Things with Derek O'Brien. And Jug Saraiya has now assisted Amish in writing this one. We welcome you, Vikas. And the man, oh my God, how do I even introduce him? He needs no introduction. So he has taken it upon himself, just like Amish Tripathi, that he is going to deliver a hit every year. There is a common thing between Amish Tripathi and Varun Dhawan. They play in millions. Millions of fans who love Amish's work. Millions of people who love Varun Dhawan. And after his previous hit, oh my God, I had to bow down to him. Varun Dhawan, can we have you on stage, please? Seriously. Let's hear it for Amish Tripathi, Vikas Singh, Varun Dhawan. Could I please request you to please unveil this? The cover of Suhail Dev and the Battle of Bahraich.
Can I say one thing? Can I say one thing before that? You know, before you came on stage, when I came out here, I was actually wearing a jacket. And then my publishers and the PR team said that you're standing.
ये कपड़े नहीं पहन के आएगा तो
No. They said you're going to be wearing a jacket in front of the hottest millennial star, and I look like an uncle. So they forced me to take off my jacket, and he's wearing a jacket. Priyanka, Neha, like, look at this.
जैकेट लेके आओ.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, now
We
what?
have one more mic on stage.
cover.
One more cover.
One more cover?
No.
Okay.
Okay. अब ये जो बुक हमने कवर रिवील कर दिया है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू अमीश. यार इसमें शक्ल दिख रही है. Normally when we see Amish Tripathi's books, they're all like silhouettes, like some nice muscular animated
He's
stuff,
muscular too, yeah?
full on, and we get to see his face. So
Yeah,
tell
yeah.
us about this cover first.
Normally my covers don't have the face, yes.
Right.
The face is usually hidden. That's because, I mean, they're normally of gods and goddesses. So I'd like people to have their own imagination. One of the benefits of having a book as compared to a movie is the readers fill in their own imagination into what I describe. But he's a historical figure, 1,000 years ago. So I thought maybe we'll show his face. And there are, of course, like in all my books, there are hidden symbolism, etc. So you can see on the horse, there's a Trishul out here. He was a Shaivite. This is a shivling, small shivling that he used to wear. That's the flag of Bahraich. On the spine, there is I don't know the spines here. Is there? Okay. So there's a coin out there with the map of India. So there's
My
always a lot
God.
of hidden symbolism across
Trust
all my
Amish
covers.
Tripathi to get all these symbolisms and perfection into even the cover. We love it, don't we? Can we hear it? For the amazing Indic Chronicles
Thank you.
ka pehla bhag this is.
Thank you.
Varun, we all are Amish Tripathi fans. Yeah, so what is your first reaction to this?
First reaction, I would just say, first of all, a big good evening to everyone who's over here. And it gives me great honor and privilege to be here and launch this book. I remember being a big fan of Amish when the Shiva trilogy came out, and I read Meluha for the first time. I was like very intrigued. I was like, who is this writer and how is he's written about Lord Shiva, and I love the take. And just when you read about it and you read the landscape of how he described the world, you know, your imagination just runs wild. And at that moment, because I'm an actor, I'm like, when can we make a movie like that? When can, can I play a part like that? Oh, am I too short to play this? All this went through my mind at that point. And I never thought that I'll be called to launch a book of his, ever. But this is a great honor, honestly, and just the backdrop of the book. When I spoke to Amish, and Amish told me, this is the book. It's about India's first Dalit king. I was so fascinated by it. And in history, when you read about the caste system, you read about how our country has evolved and stuff like that. How we dealt with the caste system then. It's. I think he's one of the most relevant writers of our time. He's someone who's so popular with the millennial crowd, and not only the millennial crowd. I think people from all around the world. So actually, we should all feel proud that we have an Indian writer who's making headlines all across the globe.
And I completely maintain that history was not my favorite subject in school, But because of Amish Tripathi, I want to go back and write my papers, and maybe they should include Amish Tripathi's books in the syllabus, because that makes history damn interesting. But I'm going to move towards your right, Amish. You are going to introduce him to everybody who's looking at him for that.
I will. Vikas is my partner in crime for this. One of the problems for me is I have more story ideas than the capacity to write. Takes me a year and a half between books, and so there was an idea that what if I can get someone to help me, to assist, because I have all these story ideas. I have nearly 20 story ideas in this historical fiction space, and I thought I'm going to take them to my cremation pyre. And fortunately, this idea has come up. It came from my publisher that how about if I actually work with someone else, share my story idea, first draft comes up, then I work on it. Essentially what it does, expands my capacity, and this is my great partner in crime who helped this first book come up.
Almost both of you are like twins right now. Same height also.
I have a little more hair. But Vikas is absolutely brilliant, and for the first book in this, which is called the Indic Chronicles, the idea is to explore, ignore heroes and heroines that we should know about, but they've been ignored in our history books. And all of us should discover stories like this. Like if you think of the story of Suhail Dev, it is such an inspiring story. He was, a prince of a small principality, a backward caste, And at a time when foreign invaders, the invaders from Ghazni, were coming in, and most old Indian kingdoms, they'd all given up. And this man raised an army. He stood up to fight the invaders. He raised an army of Indian upper castes, Indian Muslims, Indian Buddhists, all different castes and creed, raised an army and fought the invaders of Ghazni. The army of
He
Mahmud of
basically
Ghazni.
united
He united
the
them.
country.
He did the biggest thing, that he united us, raised a fantastic army and defeated the foreign invaders. It's such an inspiring story. I don't know why it's not a part of our history books, but I hope this becomes well known across India. And many stories like this, the aim is to bring it out and to let people know these
Completely.
great heroes
I think we
on
should
whose
also
shoulders we stand today.
Coin a term which is called Amishpedia.
I just-
Because Amishpedia से ऐसी कहानियाँ निकलती है that we don't know about.
You know, एक चीज मैं नहीं समझता हूँ, ये जो कहानी है, क्योंकि हम लोग फिल्म लाइन में काम करते हैं, ये आपको कहानियाँ मिलती कहाँ से? जब आप R&D करते हो तो ये ऑनलाइन सर्च करते हो आप, या
Google
ये
it.
कौन सी हिस्ट्री बुक में आपको ये कहानियाँ मिल रही है जो हमारे राइटर्स या हमें नहीं मिल रही है?
Acha, but before that, if I will answer it.
Because you can answer this
Yeah,
question.
Either of you can answer
okay,
this.
this one Amish can answer, but I just wanted to add a little to what he said. So, you know, basically, I've known him for many years, but this was the first time we got a chance to work together. And I'm audible, right? At the back? Yeah. Thank you. So, you know, he sat down, he narrated the idea to me, and of course, I was completely fascinated. And then we sat and we fleshed out the characters and we discussed it in some detail. And he said, okay, now write the first draft. And I wrote the first draft, and I was pretty pleased by how it came out. And then Amish started on it. And you know, when I saw the second draft, it was transformed. I mean, he'd kept the first draft, but he had just added drama and philosophy and suspense and so much more. So, you know, let me just say that maybe I created a skeleton, but he put the skin, the muscles, and most importantly, the heart in it.
My friend and partner in crime.
Completely. Was he also your partner in cream biscuits? So fun fact, people who are Amish Tripathi fans, you must know that Amish, whenever he writes his books, he says, I'm off sugar. So every time he meets me, he's like, Sangeeta, I'm off sugar. I'm having jaggery and all. We have these discussions. And he's like, but when I write a book, I have to have cream biscuits. And I'm like, dude, how? So how many cream biscuits went into this? Are any brand people listening? You can actually sign Amish Tripathi for this.
Yeah, at various lit fests, I actually have readers who come with packets of cream biscuits and say, "Ye lo aur jaldi likho." But I'll answer his thing. You know, one of the things with our history, I'm a lover of, I love reading. My mother is here, my family is here, my kid, Neil, say hi.
Hey.
Neil, this is Varun. Can I say uncle or dada? Just Varun. Okay, just Varun. Okay.
You actually asked him that question.
We all read a lot. We love reading. And actually, many of these books are available. Sadly, they're not a part of our history syllabus. And there are fantastic stories like this, you know, that like Rajen Chola, for example, you know, one of the greatest conquerors India has ever seen. Conquered most of South India, most of East India, most of Southeast Asia. He's reduced to 2 lines in our history books, you know. Then the first Indian to defeat a European conqueror, the Portuguese, was actually an Indian woman, a queen called Rani Abakka. It's a fantastic story. I plan to write that story down. Airbrushed out of our history books. There's so many great heroes and heroines like this. We really need to bring those stories out, you know, so that we can celebrate, you know, what a kick-ass country we are, man.
Definitely need to celebrate. I think it's time we celebrate our Indian heroes, and we don't have to look to the West or look to any other countries to get, you know, because I also get this a lot, that you get inspired by the West, you get inspired by the West, and yes, you do, because they put it out nicely. But I think when we have writers like Amish and Vikas who are doing such a great job in making our history more accessible and entertaining, I think it's high time that the reach of his books will not only be limited to reading. I'm sure we'll soon hopefully see a very well-made adaptation which can travel the world, hopefully.
Rajot.
Yeah, fingers crossed for that. We've been waiting for it. But I'm going to ask both of you this question. Who's the quieter one and who did all the buck? Because right now, Vikas is all quiet and smiling. And are you really like that in real life? Come on, spill some beans here.
I think we are both relatively quiet.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. But our you know, discussions were very, very interesting.
Animated.
Very animated.
Did you all ever fight?
Yeah,
Okay,
we need to ask the typical Bollywood questions also. क्या मतलब set पे fight?
वो तो होता ही है. If you get like two really smart people together, मतलब they're not going to get along. They'll have some differences at least. So I mean,
So you're fought how many?
No, we
arguments.
Arguments. कितने arguments
creative
हुए?
discussions.
This is the latest word that's trending. Creative discussions. We will learn to be as diplomatic as that.
But the really fun thing is that see, a lot of times, like, he had some ideas which I thought may not be so good, and I had some suggestions which he didn't agree with. But to give him full credit, he never once said, "Listen, dude, I'm the guy with 4 million copies in print." So what I say goes. So we would sort of talk it out and reason it out and convince each other. And a couple of occasions where we really, really discussed, those discussions actually made it into the book. With two characters sort of, having a
So you guys are actually characters who are a part of this book.
No, I wouldn't say that, but I would say that our, sort of points of
Aggression,
view-
the aggression probably, or the passion of the arguments kind of.
Yeah, it came in and it sort of, we said, hey, we're actually having a very rich, fruitful discussion, so why waste it, So it sort of worked its way into
There was
the book.
one you'll see it at the end of the book, one very passionate discussion that we had. And I didn't want to put that scene in, and he kept after me, look, you have to put an explanation for this. So finally, actually, I was convinced and I actually wrote a scene out. And if I look back right now, actually, that's one of the most powerful scenes in the book. So thanks for fighting with me on that.
Wow. So
No, another question I want to ask them actually, a lot of people have told me to ask this, is that obviously now we have laptops and computers and iPads and phones and stuff, so we can type out stuff, but you'll still ever, if you'll make notes, you'll still pen them down or write them down, or everything is digital today?
I type. I
type.
just type straight into the laptop.
Into the laptop. What about you?
I, tend to have a pen and paper handy because an idea can strike any time. Correct. And I'm the guy sitting in the airport and they announce that the flight is delayed, and I'm like, yes, because an idea just struck me and I want to scribble it somewhere. So yeah, but eventually when it comes to putting it down, I put it down on a laptop.
I also had a question. यार authors handwriting कैसा होता है? We know doctors have bad handwriting. Sorry, doctors. But authors, do you really have like amazing handwriting because you're writers and
My handwriting is terrible.
pathetic, is it?
Pathetic.
Okay.
Yeah, and I always have the excuse that my brain races faster than my hand can keep up. So I'm just, but yeah, I'm very, very grateful for Microsoft.
You
Word.
must be having like crazy typing speed.
Yeah.
Because I know so many friends, or even me, sometimes when I'm like writing a message or something, sometimes I don't even need to look at the mobile. I can just be like, what do you say?
Yeah. That's
It
happening
makes
to
it
all
so
of
much
us.
more efficient, right?
Yeah.
I mean, all the spelling
But
mistakes
typing
are
works.
wrong in
Typing
my
works.
case.
Yeah. Varun, I have to ask you this, yeah? You're with Amish and we're talking about his work going worldwide and all of that. So if you were to star in one of the films, matlab adapted from Amish's book, which one would that be? What is that character that Amish has written that you want to play? Have you ever thought of
It's
it?
no, definitely. I
Yeah.
think, like I said, when Milhua came out, I mean, everyone, you had so many Hindi film actors, probably not saying it on like in an
Some even
interview.
said it.
Some even said it, but
Yeah.
everyone was, because obviously Lord Shiva is such a, he's a god, and we all look up to him, pray to him. So that was one. Then even the Ramchandra series that came out. But I think all these require immense dedication, and there's a big responsibility. Definitely the Sohail Dev one is very, very interesting. I'm yet to read it. But having said that, even a film which I'm doing with Dharma, Ranbhoomi, the director is very, very inspired by Amish's books, has read, Shashank is a very big fan of Amish and has read all the books. So, we'll come to you, we won't copy anything, don't worry.
Amish is like giving you the stares.
Come on.
But okay, I'm going to open the forum now to the media to ask questions. किसी के पास कोई questions हैं? Go. We can pass on the mic.
You need a mic?
मैं दे देती हूँ यहाँ पे.
एक्टिंग के शेड्यूल से फ्री होते हैं तो किस तरह की किताबें पढ़ते हैं आप? और
मैं बहुत बायोग्राफीज पढ़ता हूँ. आई हैड रेड वन ऑन देवानंद, एक पुरानी वाली है. फिर आई लव रीडिंग सुपंडी. वो मैं बचपन में बहुत पढ़ता था, बट जैसे कैरेक्टर्स करता हूँ मैं, जैसे आई एम प्लेइंग दिस कैरेक्टर ऑफ अ टेलर मौजी इन सुई धागा. तो एंड एक पार्ट उसका ये है कि वो एक प्यून भी है एक शॉप में. तो सुपंडी के जो किस्सेज है वो पढ़ के बहुत इंस्पायर होता था मैं. आई जस्ट लव सुपंडी. आई मीन आई हैव ऑलवेज लव्ड इट एज अ किड.
Same here, man.
या
Love Subandi.
सुपंडी बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग कैरेक्टर है और मौजी बहुत इंस्पायर्ड है उससे. बट अदरवाइज आई थिंक व्हेन आई गेट टाइम आई थिंक मिलुआ इज अ बुक दैट आई वुड नॉट रीड दैट मच. बट मिलुआ आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम, मिलुआ जब निकला था तो इट वाज लाइक कोई बहुत बड़ी ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्म रिलीज हुई. लाइक यू नो एवरीवन वाज लाइक मलुआ मलुआ मलुआ. So I was like, यार, what is this? You know, after Harry Potter, I heard so much noise. Then it was for Milua, honestly, and that's all for you. And then I read Milua, and I was just blown away with the imagination. तो जो किताबें आपके imagination को alive करती है, you can live through these books. I think I enjoy reading these books, and I love pictures in books. I mean, I'm a kid like that, but I love if there's कोई imagery होती है, कोई photo होता है तो.
Hi, Varun. Hi. This is Priyanka from Indian Express.
What's up, Priyanka?
Good going. But Varun, we've seen that we have history documented in books, but whenever history is shown, especially in recent times on screen, some section or the other takes offense. So do you think that actors today are wary of taking up that genre, being part of historical?
Unfortunately, this is a double-edged sword in our country, that we have certain sections getting upset with the interpretation, or certain sections saying that they were not consulted before this happened. And before I came on, I just asked Amish the same thing, that have you had any threats or aisa kuch hua tha aapke? So he said, luckily nothing has happened that way with me, and people have been pretty happy with the representation. And I think when you have someone, hopefully 90% of the time, if you're doing it from a very clean heart and a good place, hopefully no one will get offended. But in 2018, I mean, everyone's offended with everything. Today, someone might get offended. My shoelace is open. Someone might get offended with that also. यार shoelace open था और फिर उसने book launch कर दिया. So.
But does that make you a little skeptical about getting into that genre?
No, not really. Not at all. I think you can't, if you're going to be fearful, you can never achieve greatness. You have to be able to take on fear head to head, face to face, look it in the eye and say, I'm stronger than you. And I think we all need to do that in 2018. I think he's doing a great job with, I mean, he's spearheading it by writing about history, and so bravely and boldly. And I mean, we can see the benefits. 4 million copies? 4 million copies. And one very interesting thing, I want to say that 20 to 25% of our country's population is made up of tribes and castes. And that's not really been represented in books or our literature as much, or our films for that matter. So I think he's doing a great thing by actually representing them. He's doing a better job than I think even the politicians, because he's actually representing them and writing about them as heroes.
Thank you.
Can I just add one thing to it? Movies or stories, just to add to what Varun said, they can never exactly follow historical facts. You've seen Braveheart the movie, right? Yep. And it doesn't exactly follow William Wallace's story, right? Because it's a problem of storytelling. You have to change things a little bit, but as long as you're respectful, I don't think it never has a long-term controversy.
हाँ जी. Honestly, जब मुझे कोई बायोग्राफी ऑफर होती है तो मैं काफ़ी डर जाता हूँ. मैं नहीं करना चाहता हूँ मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि जो दूसरे फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर्स जब मैं कर रहा हूँ, आई एम डूइंग दैट ऑल्सो एज अ बायोग्राफी. ऑनेस्टली शायद वो एक इंसान के ऊपर नहीं होता है, बट वो एक जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि अभी मैं एक टेलर का किरदार निभा रहा हूँ. So this is not about one particular tailor or that workforce. It's about the entire people, entire common man जो घर छोड़ के काम के लिए जाते हैं. So उनके ऊपर एक, in a way, it's my reading, my observation, my study on that, कि वो लोग कैसे काम करते हैं, या जैसे आप लोग काम करते हैं. अभी बारिश के मौसम में आप लोग जैसे सफ़र करके आते हैं काम पे, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होता है. कभी पानी आ जाता है, कभी धक्का मुक्की होती है बस में. So these things वो ऑब्जर्व करना और पिक्चर में डालना बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होता है मेरे लिए. आई थिंक इफ आई हैड टू डू अ बायोग्राफी ऑन समवन, it's very interesting. मुझे कभी ऑफर नहीं हुआ है, बट आई हैव in my head the idea is to do a biography of my fathers maybe one day, for which much later, where I can play his young day and his old day and everything. Probably till the time he had me. Then I can't become a child again and play that.
Okay, we take one last question. Go.
Can I ask आपकी अगर इनकी adaptation में से इनकी book की adaptation में से कोई film बनती है तो उसमें heroine कौन होगी?
हीरोइन कौन होगी?
कौन होगी?
आज के टाइम में हीरोइन कौन होगी वो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया क्योंकि हीरोइन हीरो से बहुत बेहतर कर रहे हैं एंड आई थिंक लाइक ही सेड आई थिंक ये जो अभी आपने बोला था अबाउट द क्वीन
रानी अबक्का.
रानी अबाका
Abakka. She was Kodava, Kurgi queen, and she defeated the Portuguese twice. Twice.
2 बार
Yeah,
2-0
Yeah.
That's-
Rocking kahani because her husband sadly allied with the enemies, and she defeated her husband also.
ये एकता का प्रोड्यूस कर सकती है दिस इज अ ग्रेट स्टोरी
would be the heroine for that?
इसके लिए आई थिंक यू नो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई टेल यू व्हाई आई डोंट टू कास्ट बिकॉज ऑफन हम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की हिस्ट्री में ऑलवेज दसिंग अरे यार हीरोइन कौन किसको लेना है अरे हीरो डिसाइड करेगा मुझ में कोई ताकत नहीं है हीरो डिसाइड करने को कि कौन सी फिल्म में होगा आई थिंक द मेकर्स शुड डिसाइड दैट आई थिंक ही शुड डिसाइड दैट हु डू यू थिंक कैन प्ले रानी
I will neatly sidestep that question and say, let's hear it for him. What a positive and a thing for equality that he said. We should hear it for him.
I think we have some. He's quite happy with my answer. अच्छा खेला आपने आज. Well done.
It's a diplomatic statement, but Varun, if there's any book that is written on you in ahead, whenever it is, what would be the most interesting character that we can, interesting chapter in your life that we can read about? If you could tell us a little insight into that.
I think the most interesting part of my life, if someone had to document it, is it's my last year in college of when I was in Nottingham, and the year back, these 2 years, when I had decided I'd got a business administrative degree, and I decided I'm going to become an actor. And those 6 months I was in Nottingham in England, snowed in, where I had to write my dissertation, and instead of writing my essays, I was performing Hindi scenes with the fridge, with the bottle of milk. I was just saying random dialogues कि हाँ साहब मैं चाय बना के लेके आता हूँ. And I would go make the tea, then come back and serve it to an imaginary person, and then become the साहब. हाँ अच्छा चाय बना है. So it was really strange, and I'd taken a lot of videos of these things also, which I would show my friends and stuff. So, but luckily this material isn't out because I would not be standing. I would be in a mental asylum probably by then.
Okay, last question I would want to ask both of you. Now we know that each and every character in your book is like super strong, and there are these characteristics, you know, that define them. Suhail Dev, introduce him to all of us, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने कहा, we don't know about him at all. Even if you Google, there's not much that we'll get than what we get with Amish Tripathi's book. So please introduce him to us, both of you.
I think on the blurb that Westland put, I think there's a short description which describes him perfectly. You know, a fierce rebel, charismatic leader, very, very cool, and a very inclusive patriot. I think that would describe him best.
You know, if he had to make this reach out further, if suppose Suhail Dev had a Facebook account or if he was on Twitter or probably not on Tinder, but probably he was. If Suhail Dev was a character that we had to introduce to the world in today's day and age, so his status.
I would do your photograph for the profile.
Okay.
Thing, yeah.
I wish I would be in the shape for sure. So Suhail Dev, what's his relationship status?
Oh yes, is there a woman involved or not?
Yeah, of course there is.
Oh, there is?
Yeah, there is.
How many at that time?
Okay, yeah.
नहीं उस वक्त
One.
one woman man. Suhail Dev, one woman man. Okay. What are his characteristics as a human being? Like,
he's actually the younger brother in this. And he was, let's say he was the relaxed, fun-loving younger brother till his elder brother died in a very, defending the Somnathji temple from the attack. And that's what changes him completely. And the anger, the rage, everything kind of comes out in his rebellion, and he changes with that. I think that for us actually, I think getting that character out of how he changes was actually the most inspiring part of this.
He has that whole arc of boy to man, basically, which
That's
he
what it's
did
about.
go through.
And he idolized his elder brother, because his elder brother was the good son. The parents loved him, responsible, solid, always taking care of his younger brother, and that's what I think that arc made him such an exciting character. Yeah.
No, I think truly, I'm so inspired listening to this. I think definitely this is a true homegrown Indian hero, and I think we all can get some inspiration, much needed inspiration, and a very relevant character in the times that we are living in.
And you're going to live up to your promise, Amish, in front of everybody. You're telling this. One book in every 6 months.
Yes, one book every 6 months. Yes, sorry, Westland. I was told to announce this at the beginning itself. I don't know where the Facebook Live video is. Ravan, the third book of the Ramchandra series, will release by the end of the year or early next year.
On schedule.
There is no delay in that. Don't think this has delayed that at all. Sorry, I forgot to mention that at the beginning.
Westland has just got very emotional.
There is no delay.
Hearing this.
Told you he's playing in millions copies uske,
Shame,
10 million copies uske. But thank you so much, Varun, Amish, Vikas. This was brilliant. Thank you so much, media, for being so patient. And let's remind you, your book is releasing 23rd of July. You can pre-order it. And thanks. Hopefully it's not raining. So yeah, it's going to be a lovely evening.
And
ahead.
if I can add my gratefulness, deep gratefulness to Varun for coming for this. He's kind and his manners. I mean, I was so touched when I spoke to him. Brilliant guy.
You're giving me
God
the
bless
book
you.
before it releases, no?
Yeah, 100%.
I want the book. I have to read it. I have to read it before everybody else.
I'm a complete idiot. I completely forgot the brilliant cover has been designed by Team Think Why Not. Out here, if you can just have an applause for them.
Thank you.
चल चल बाहर गेला
Hey, आप क्या है रे? सर वेट गवर्नमेंट ये सब नए लोग हैं शायद वरुण सर यहाँ पे सर ये सब नए लोग हैं शायद थैंक यू
Thank you, guys.